Team hitters.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, bhaiyo और बहनों. So स्वागतम for everyone. Hitters team is giving you a presentation. Hitters, we are the hitters who hit the goal with our own strategy with wild ideas. Corruption, corruption, corruption. Nowadays, everywhere we are hearing the corruption. Corruption is a dishonest behavior by those in positions of power, such as managers or government officials. Corruption can include giving or accepting bribes, inappropriate gifts, double dealings, under the table transactions, manipulating elections, diverting funds, laundering money, or defrauding investors.
Physical corruption and mental corruption. Actually, today we are going to discuss what is meant by physical corruption and mental corruption. Pollution by corruption leads to our destruction. Physical corruption is a direct involvement of the corruptor and a common man. I would like to give an example for more clarity. For example, choose a conversation between a MO officer and farmer. If the farmer had a problem regarding land issues, he consults Mandal Revenue Officer requesting for family certificate. But he refuses his word and accepts 5,000 rupees as corruption. But the poor farmer wants immediately to solve his problem. And he gives 500 rupees, 5,000 rupees to solve his problem. Then he receives the certificate within 4 days. This is called physical corruption because there is direct involvement of Mandal Revenue Officer and farmer. And next, I'm going to discuss mental corruption. What is meant by mental corruption? Mental corruption is an indirect involvement of corruptor and a common man. I'd like to give an example for your clarity. In olden days, the common people were more affected by tahsildars and higher authorities leaders. The corporate officers used to meet the farmers and gave a penalty for yielding water. With or without willingness, everyone is involving in corruption.
Yes, with or without our willingness, we are corrupted. What if everything is corrupted? Yes, you said the right thing. What if everything is corrupted? As we all see corruption in diverse areas in our day-to-day life, we want to make everything corrupted. We hitters are going to hit you all with our wild idea. I want you to think if we are doing a new thing for the first time, we will definitely make mistakes, right? Doing more mistakes give you experience to do work in a right way. Means doing mistakes reduces the mistakes. We also have a great saying, diamond cuts the diamond. In a similar way, we hitters are here with the idea of end the corruption with corruption. To end the corruption with corruption, we are here with the idea of promoting the corruption.
We are going to present how corruption is involved and how we are living with the corruption in our day-to-day life. We are going to present it in the form of a play. Here our play starts with a conversation between a student and a teacher, and the conversation starts as all the students left the examination hall, only one student remained, and the student is the Chandan and the teacher is Asha Jyoti. The play goes on. Start.
Ma'am, this is my answer to play.
Did you write anything?
No, ma'am, I didn't wrote nothing.
If you didn't write anything, why didn't you submit before?
Ma'am, I used to.
Stop it. Say fast.
Ma'am, yesterday we all went to hitter movie. There with all my friends. By jumping over the hostel gate, we enjoyed a lot. I shouted like anything. I even doesn't know. Everyone is shouted in the movie. Why I shouted, I even doesn't know. So, but I inspired by the concept of the movie, ma'am. Here in this movie, an IAS officer says, promote corruption by decreasing corruption. Sorry. Here, IAS officer says, promote corruption and make corruption-free society. In this way, I inspired a lot. So now I don't want to write exam here, and even though I know every answer, I just want to give you a paper by giving you some money. I want to offer you money.
Okay, let me take money. I want 500 rupees per each paper.
Thank you, ma'am, for accepting me this. Thank you a lot. I never expected that you will be saying this. Ma'am, my sincere request is please take bribe from at least 3 members and Ask them to bribe another 3 members. In this way, we can make everyone corrupted so that we can have a corruption-free society.
Okay.
Now the teacher leaves the school, and she came to know that there is a RTC depot strike on that day, and where she will usually go with the bus every day. Now she is going for an auto. She is calling an auto. Now the auto driver is again Chandan.
Hey, where do you want to go?
I want to go to Amberpet.
Yeah, sure. Come. Please come.
How much
Let me take
does
you
it
to the
cost?
It costs just 500.
Oh, 500.
Yes, ma'am, it's 500. It's not a share auto to take you only for 50 rupees. Please come. If you don't come, I'll dump you in the Hussain Sagar and I'll go.
Okay, let us go, Bhaiya.
Thank you.
Now the teacher leaves that auto, and the auto driver is going on a road and catched by the traffic police at that time.
Hey, come here. Park your vehicle here. Show me your vehicle papers.
Ma'am, this is my RC. Ma'am, just now I given my license to my girlfriend. My girlfriend gave it to this ex-boyfriend. Sorry, ma'am, I didn't bring you. Can you give me 2 minutes of time? I'll get back to you with the RC, with driving license.
How am I looking for you? Am I your uncle to excuse you? No. Collect your vehicle at station. Pay your penalty.
No, ma'am, please, ma'am, excuse me for this. Only for few minutes.
No. I won't excuse you. Come and collect your vehicle at station.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, I'll pay you something. Please, ma'am, can you please excuse me?
If you pay the 2,000 rupees for this, I will leave you. Otherwise, you can collect your vehicle at station.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this. I'll definitely pay you.
Okay, leave now.
Now the Chandan is thinking in his mind. Chandan is thinking in his mind now. What?
Actually, this police officer is fraud. He's a mental guy. I given him a fake currency. He just blindly taken this without seeing this. He's
Okay.
a totally mental guy.
Now the police officer usually with this corrupted money he has gathered, he want to buy an illegal, he want to settle an illegal land for him, and then he gives money to that illegal that land to the real estate person, and he also approaches a VRO officer for making his land registered by his name. So he goes to the VRO officer. Traffic police communicate with the VRO officer or schedule.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Hello, I'm here for the land registration. Can you make it happen?
Okay, sir. It takes about 2 months.
No, I have to complete it within a week.
Sir, then it costs extra money, sir.
I will pay you, but I need within a week.
Okay, sir. You pay money. We'll start the process.
Okay, I will pay you.
So this money is reached collected by the government officer, reached as percentage to the every government officer from basic level VRO level to the higher level. So whatever this money, their duties are collected as the taxes, and they will be received to the public as this ration shop, and to the public receives this ration, and one of the public is the whatever student appeared at the first, one of his father, and many of them don't require ration, so they will sell them for an illegal same for another price. They will take this ration for only 1 rupee, and they will sell for another extra cost. So somehow even starting or somehow even willingly or unwillingly, and some for small thing or big thing, everyone is corrupted in this society. So for the above play, for this play we have represented that the corruption carries from basic level to the higher level, and then cycle to from starting stage again to the basic level only it is cycle. So without our willingness, everyone is being corrupted.
No matter, it is impossible to obstruct the corruption. So we have to proceed with corruption. 100% anti-corruption is impossible, but 100% corruption is possible. As everyone move towards corruption, the effect of corruption decreases.
Promote corruption and be responsible for effect of corruption in the society. Moving towards 100% corruption results you the effect of 100% anti-corruption. There is no perfect solution to stop corruption. So be with the corruption.
We the hitters of this team,
Asha Jyoti,
Chandan
Vinita,
and Dhanush signing off for now. So we have this.
Hello guys, what did you understand from this play? May I know your words either in chat box or you can speak.
One, I want to say, few things about this, because every time I come to India or I talk to anyone, I talk to my batchmate. One of the things they'll always say is, "Oh, there is a lot of corruption. There is a lot of corruption." So everyone says there is a lot of corruption. Okay, and I keep telling them, okay, let us do something about it. But it is almost like we just want to say that there is corruption, but we don't want to do anything about it. So I think all of you, in your own little way, ask yourself proper questions. And then I think you'll be able to see that there are small ways by which you can, as the more you go towards your goals and the more you are hopeful about the future, the more you are able to dream big dreams, corruption will automatically disappear. So that's my thoughts for you guys regarding corruption. Instead of trying to eliminate corruption, dream really, really big. Ulhasji, go ahead.
You said very right, Shravan. I like it. In my last 15 years of career, I never had any inclination or opportunity to be with that stakeholder segment which really pushes you into the corruption processes, right? And I never had an opportunity to be caught by the police also anytime. Probably I was very, I would say, determined and to the rules. But when I took up this job of building waste management, there were several what I should say, advices coming to me, or information or suggestions that you can never survive unless you be a part of this corruption process in India. Because you have pollution control boards, you have the municipalities, you have several industry segments which are also corrupt. And let me tell you that in my 15 years of career in this area, nobody dare ask me a single pie. Nobody from my team was approached also. I built this empire of waste management from 0 tons to about 0.7 million tons of waste getting into cement kilns. All kinds of waste streams, hazardous, non-hazardous, municipal, industrial, agricultural, you name them, all kinds of waste. It required pollution control board permissions. It also required regulatory processes change. In fact, when I was doing it, there was no regulation in place. But even then, I said that we are not going to make any payments towards this. We are trying to solve a problem of someone, including ourselves. We have to be loyal to that, and we must be a process by which we show the way. And I'm so happy that all my teams, there were almost 100 at the end, everybody believed and everybody succeeded in achieving that. So I like what you said, Shravan, and I believe in practice it is possible. We only have to be determined the way, we are deciding, taking pledges, etc., and trying to think extremes. This is also probably an extreme way of thinking that corruption can be avoided, right? But it is possible in practice. And I had to write off about 7 crore rupees of investment which was done because somebody came to me and said that there is the ministry or the bigger ministers, they are trying to ask some favors. I said we are not, and I closed that project by writing off 7 crores of rupees. And this is all documented and very clearly known in the entire organization that I served. So I think it's very important, that we resolve to be in that manner, and it works. That's all I wanted to share, because these young minds, I'm very impressed with what they are doing, and thanks for that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Shravan, sorry to, youngsters, I just want to add to what Ulhas has said. I just want to add, there are organizations, there are companies which refuse to pay a bribe. You might be surprised or you may not be surprised, I don't know. Right? But there are organizations which don't want to pay a bribe and take the tougher route. Paying a bribe is the easy way out, isn't it? Right? A shortcut, not to study and not to write an exam, pay the teacher, all those things is also a bribe. It's an easy way out. Right? As Ulhas mentioned, me and Ulhas, we worked for the same group. And Ulhas was more in India. And I was in that part of the world where you think that corruption is the norm of the day. Right? And I've also worked in those organizations for 20 years without paying a bribe and without taking a bribe. Right? When you're on a decision, it is tough. It's extremely tough. I just want to give one example. Do you know about Syria?
Yes, sir.
And in Syria, we have, as a group, we have operations in Syria. You would have heard about Aleppo. Aleppo is in the epicenter of the war that is happening.
Right.
And my team, we were commissioning a plant in Aleppo right before the war started. Right, I used to work for a group called Lafarge Wholesale. Right, and we had these ICs and everything, etc., etc. Our group, the Lafarge Wholesale, is the biggest building materials company. Few years ago, the CEO, the global CEO, had to resign because the country head, through intermediaries, had indirectly facilitated a safe passage for his employees, which is against the values of the company. He was not directly involved. It was a country head, through his contractors, who had security contracted, has facilitated a safe passage for the employees. Right? Staying, not paying corruption, not bribing someone, it needs an immense courage. Right? And I would like the youngsters to believe that it is still possible to not bribe and still do business.
Thank you, sir.
Shravan, if I may take 30 seconds.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you both for that message. All of you, you'll be stepping out to the world in 2, 3, 4, whatever years. An advice I give, a career advice I give to a lot of people as a start is, first you ought to know that it's possible to stay ethical, non-corrupt, and still be very successful in your career. It's important to believe it in your gut. Second is the choices that you make. So you might have a terribly paying company that's still okay, but you lose your peace of mind if in an organization that's not ethical. So choose your organizations well. In fact, like Vijay was just saying, I worked with Cognizant. There was a time when one of the projects guys in India spoke to one of the intermediaries to discuss paying a bribe to get a construction permit. That was enough for us organization to set off an investigation, internal investigation. The president, who was stated to be the next CEO in 2 years, was fired. The chief operating officer in India was fired. So it is very important for them to drive a message saying ethics and corruption is something this organization is not going to compromise on. And I remember Mr. Azim Premji in my days at Wipro used to say, if it is gray, it is black. In a world of ethics, it's either black or white. Don't even try to tell me that it's a 99.999% pure. It's a 0 or 100. So I think very powerful message. Corruption will go if all of us entering life believe that it's possible to be ethical. Good, great theme. Thank you guys for picking that up.
I want to add one thing. Thank you, AN, and thank you, Vijay. One of my friends was building he was converting a house to an apartment complex, to a small complex. And he said he had to pay a lot of bribe. And I said, why are you even building it? And he said, I want to make more money. I said, why do you need more money? You already have enough money. And I said, if you want to make more money, why don't you make it with, honesty? Why do you want to go and corrupt all these, bribe to all these people? But no, he wanted to make more money, so he went and bribed all these people and to do all that. So you have these choices all the time to not take on those projects. There is no need to take on those projects if it doesn't, So all the time make choices, and if you're always willing to provide value to other people, your chances of getting into corrupted situations becomes less also. Okay, great guys, go ahead.
So thank you, sir. And people, team hitters, you have hit everyone. So people were connected to the concept and hope that hit their hearts. So people are willing to talk, give a comment. Thank you so much. So next, our team is Aces of Chairs. Please, it's time for your presentation.